Dreamers, you probably see the title of this video. For the last 30 days in the month of January, I've been selling options that generated me over $6,000 of income. Guys, if you are not selling options, you are missing out on money. If you have 100 shares of anything or the capital to buy 100 shares of anything and you are not selling options, you are missing out on money. Even if you don't have the money to put up to control 100 shares, and you don't know what a poor man cover call is or put credit spread, call credit spread, if you don't know what that is, you are literally losing out on money. I did all of these strategies last month. I told you guys I was going to take selling options very serious in 2025. And in just 1 month alone, I generated over $6,000, $6,069. I know, crazy number, but I made $6,069 in just 1 month of selling options. Now, if you do want to learn more about selling options, I do have a limited amount of space on the Dream Team where I will teach you the real strategy, where we're talking about selling options. I have the real strategy course, I have my option course, and I'm going to go over put credit spread course in there, the poor man cover call courses in there, and you'll be a part of the Dream Team where it's just a very small group of people where we have live Zoom sessions every Sunday to go over our plays for the week. If you do want to join the Lucid Dreamers, let me show you guys a trick. If you hit that button right there, you can sign up for just $10.20 a month. With just $10, you have access to 3 pro day traders that post their option trades every single day. And if you want to be a part of a community, you could take those options that they play, copy, paste them, and with just $10 a month, there's nowhere else for $10 a month you have access to 3 other pro day traders, a community of investors, and I'll be posting my technical analysis and every single time I buy and sell a stock inside of both of these every single day. So if you want to be a part of that community, guys, please check out the Discord. Now, the reason why I'm selling options is because not a lot of people, I need to teach people that have full-time jobs, nurses, bus drivers, truck drivers, doctors, people out there that do not have time to watch the stock market every single day, look at the charts every hour on the hour. People that actually have full-time jobs cannot day trade efficiently to make a living off that money. But when you're selling options, you literally only have to look at the market 1 hour a week. You look at the market 1 hour on Monday, 1 hour on Sunday, any day of the week. You set your trades, you do your technical analysis, you set your trades, and you're done for the week. You could check up on it once a week, and if you set it out a month, you could check up on it once a month and not have to worry about looking at the stock market every single day. Now, some of the stocks that I did use, oh yeah, guys, go ahead and follow my second channel, the Dream Green Conversations. Right now I'm at around 451 subscribers. Let's get that to 500 subscribers. I got one video taken off right now. I'm at around 12,000 views on that one. If you want to learn more about side hustles, how to make money, how to lose money, the economy, things like that, go ahead and follow me on the Dream Green Conversations. But back here, if we're looking at the option premiums for 2025 so far, I made $6,069. Some of the stocks I'm going to show you guys the wheel strategy. I'm showing you for free in this video, so go ahead and hit that thumbs up. I'm showing you guys the wheel strategy in this video that we did on XOXL. That's coming up this week. That made me $800 last month. I'm going to show you guys, well, Tesla made me a lot last month, $2,481 in premium. But I'm also going to show you guys what a put credit spread is. I'm going to show you guys that on NVDL. And that made me $346 last month. So these are some of the stocks down here that I have been selling cover calls on, cash secure push, one in the real strategy on. You can take a look at them. I'm not tripping, but you guys do need to learn how this is done before you just dive in. So we come over here. This is XOXL. This is one of the stocks that we've been running the wheel strategy on. Now, let me show you guys something right quick. Let's go to Apple. We look on Apple and then we hit trade. We're going to hit trade options. Let's go out a week. Actually, let's go out a month. So let's go out a week. February 7th, we're going to hit sell. We're going to hit sell or put. This is how you first start off the wheel strategy, is by selling puts. Now, once you on this sell put side, you guys can see the number on the right. Now, you need to be able to buy 100 shares of Apple to sell cash secure puts. But there's ways around that by doing poor man cover calls that I talked about in my QQQ video. But here we go. If we was to click this one at a chance of profit at 83%, 83%. Click that one right there. It'll give you $92 in premium, which is amazing for Apple. That is amazing for Apple. But if we look at the IV, it's 34%. If you already have shares at Apple and you want to do cover costs, this is a great way to blow past your dividends that you're making at Apple. But if you're looking to generate a lot of income every single month, you want to look for stocks that have a higher IV than 34. You want to look for stocks that have an IV over 50%, over 60%. Some IVs are up to 120%. So let's go back to XOXL. All right, so here we are on XOXL. We hit trade options. Go back to February 17th. Make sure that's on sell or put. That is the first thing we're supposed to do when we're selling. When we're doing the wheel strategy, we're gonna go down to the 26 put. Click this one right here. Actually, I would sell the 26.5 put on this one because I'll tell you guys in a second. But we'll click this one. Let's go down to the 26 put. Let's click this one right here, and you guys will see that you have an IV of 126%. Now the next thing that you want to look for is the delta. The delta is at the bottom left. That is at a 0.37 delta. You want to look at something below a 0.3 even. So let's go down to the 73 right here. That's a 0.27 delta. Let's click the 25.5. That's a 0.32. Cool. Let's just keep it at a 0.32 delta, and then we will collect $89 from selling this one cash secure put on XOXL at $25.50. So it would cost you around $2,550 just to collect $89 on XOXL. So if XOXL pulls back to $25.50, you will have to pick up 100 shares of XOXL. This is the very simplified version, guys. If you want to know the full version, go check out the Patreon. Do not miss out on money. But if XOXL stays above the $25.50, then you get to keep your collateral of $2,550, and you get to keep your premium of $89, and then you rinse and repeat next week. So let me show you guys exactly what I did on XOXL. So here we go. We had XOXL. We was on the second leg. We was selling covered calls. We had 100 shares. We had 300 shares of XOXL right here with the 3. So we're selling covered calls. We collected $147. We did another one, covered call, collected $45. And then we end up having to sell XOXL we end up having to sell 300 shares of XOXL at $32. That was a win. We won. Now it's time for us to get XOL back at a cheaper price. So we sold it at 32. We did a 27 put for $435. We did a 32 put the following week for $174. Didn't get a sign. Amazing. And then we went to a 27 put the following week, made $435, hoping to get a sign. I wanted to get a sign on this at 27 because we was forced to sell at 32. So it was a win. So we sold it at 32. We're getting it back at 27. If we come back over to the calculator, you guys can see that over the last week, it ended right at 2703, but hopefully we got a sign at 2697. So hopefully we did get assigned those 300 shares, because if we did get assigned those 300 shares, we're just going to hit trade options, and then we're going to do the second leg of the real strategy. We're going to start to sell calls. So we already sold at $32. We bought it back at 27. So I don't mind selling it right back at 27 the following week, or even at a higher price at 28. But even if we was to sell it right here at $136 and we did 3 of these, guys, I could be bringing in $407 in premiums next week on XOXL, which is crazy. So if XOL even pulls back even further, I'm still in a profit because I sold at 32. I bought back at 27. So even if it pulls back, I'll go forward. I'm still making money. That's the amazing thing about the wheel strategy. Now let me quickly go over the put credit spreads that we did on NVDL. Let me show you guys right quick on NVDL. Now on XOXL, I'm not just throwing out, oh, I'm gonna sell at 27. No, I do technical analysis on every single trade that I post inside the Discord. I did this range right here. If it falls below this range, then we might think about getting out of a trade. But this was the $27 range that I put right here, that we wanted to get XOXL back before, it start to trend back up or break below this line right here. But this is a trend line that we drew out. You just don't go in blind. So the next one I was going to show you guys was NVDL, and we did put credit spreads put credit spreads on NVDL after this huge drop right here. After this huge drop right here, I told everyone inside the Discord, even in the Lucid Dreamers that week. When I seen this one, I was like, hey, I'm going to tell the Lucid Dreamers about this one as well. We did a put credit spread way out of the money, way out of the money. I'm talking about way down here at like 32-ish. Way out of the money on the put credit spread, and we made, let's see how much we made from that. And I told them to go very, very light. It was the 41 for $120 in premium, doing a put credit spread on NVDL. Now, the simple way to do a put credit spread, it would be NVDL would just be to go to trade options, and you guys could do the builder. You could scroll all the way down to put credit spreads. We're looking out 5 days, February. And then you probably have a dollar spread right there. And then you just want to go way out of the money. Where's the money? There's the money. You want to go way out of the money. These prices haven't been updated because it's the weekend and it's aftermarket hours. But you want to go way out of the money to enter one of these trades. So we could put in something like on the 38, 37, this one right here. If you want to do 10 of them, you'll risk less than $1,000 to make $140. That is over what, a 15% gain in just a week. 15% gain. This is one of the best ways to grow a small portfolio. This is more than a 15% gain. That's like a 20% gain in a week. But you do not, absolutely do not want to do put credit spreads, call credit spreads every single week. You only want to do it when you're using the Bollinger Band strategy. If it pops outside of your Bollinger Band, you want to go in, draw out your support and resistance lines. After you draw out your support and resistance lines, then you go in and do your credit spreads either to the upside or to the downside. But you do not do this every single day, every single week, only when the chance appeared. And when this chance had appeared, I told everyone inside the Discord, everyone inside the Patreon to go ahead and enter that trade, and we made money from that easily. So guys, if you are worried about having to look at the stock market every single day, every single hour, if you just want to sit back, relax, put in 1 hour on Sunday, 1 hour on Monday, look at your trades, you could go all the way out a month, a 30-day expiration, and just relax and collect premiums on stocks that you already own, on stocks that you want to own, and collect premiums option trading that way without having to look at your phone while you're truck driving, look at your phone while you're in the nursing office, look at your phone if you're a dentist, anything like that. You can't trade like that. You can't be a day trader and be an educator, a teacher at the same time. It's very hard. It's very hard to do. Trust me, I know. So if you want to just take a step back, trade the smart way by selling options, go ahead and join the Patreon, join the Discord. That link is going to be down below. But let me know, guys. Are you going to stick to day trading down in the comment section? Have you ever heard of poor man cover calls, cash secure puts, the wheel strategy? Let me know down in the comment section. If you guys want me to do a free course or a Zoom tutorial for you guys, I will do a quick simple video explaining the basics of it. Before you get more advanced, you really need to understand the basics of it so you don't lose money. But if you do it the right way, this is one of the easiest ways to make money inside the stock market. But if you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button, because that literally helps out this channel more than you guys can possibly even imagine. But other than that, guys, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.